Who needs the gym when you can make cookies? To be honest, still am debating if I should work out before I go to work. I feel like I'd rather just eat breakfast. But something I want to do today is bake cookies after work. But first, I would have to get the ingredients. I think the only thing I'm missing is ginger spice.
And everything nice.
Or crushed ginger. I think we only have whole ginger. I know the spices, so I have to get that after. Okay, I'm gonna continue with this. There's a reason why this was my #1 song on my Spotify Wrapped. I really still have molasses, so I don't have to get that for the cookies. The only thing I need, is the ginger, because gingerbread, ginger. Still more time. Comment down below, what is your favorite, I think it exploded. What is your favorite Christmas cookie? Here's the thing, coworkers, our best friend, and as friends, I feel like a lot of people, they only tolerate, what the hell is a spoon? They only ever really tolerate having gingerbread, like the crispy one, only when it comes to making gingerbread houses. This bowl is hot. Because other than that, what? Are you eating it? No. Okay, so now I just have to find, got ground cumin, curry powder. Wow, it's ground ginger. Oh. I got them. Hopefully I can make it back on work on time. I made it on time.
What are you doing?
Okay, so I just got home. Well, I had dinner. Here's the thing. So I got raisins randomly, but I got the spices of ground cinnamon and ground ginger. But here's the thing. I didn't know which recipe to follow because I've never made these cookies before. Not gingerbread, which I made before. Ginger molasses cookies. Usually the two videos that I would naturally try would be like the NYT cooking channel, that one, or Claire Saffitz herself. I'll save you the trouble of comparing both. I'll have both recipes linked down below, or both videos, and then I'll just point off when I notice the... when I'm looking down, I wrote them... Oh, can you see that? I'll just, when something comes up that's different from the other recipe, I'll point it out. Also, Vaughn's only needed 1 egg, but Claire's needed 2. Oh my god, I literally checked how much butter I need. I need, well, a quarter cup more, but basically a whole stick of butter. Both need the same amount of baking powder, so 1 teaspoon. Something that's strange that I'm adding, which I'm never used to really adding this, I'm adding black pepper to the Claire's recipe. Also, there's no cinnamon in this recipe, which I thought, I guess it's fine. Oh, this is burning? No. So something that I did was separate the 2 butters that I need so I can just heat this up. This is so hot. I hope this cools down fast enough. I'll put this in the freezer to cool down. Also, there's something that's different in the NYT recipe is that it requires fresh ginger, which I guess would be better. Obviously grated, but you know. Tablespoon. What do we do with this bulb? Go to the hot butter and all the things for NYT. Also, NYT needs coffee, or typically espresso, but I just have this instant coffee, so. Also, where Vaughn's needed white sugar and brown sugar. I guess the logic by only adding brown sugar makes it more chewy. Claire's needed twice as much the amount of molasses, so more sticky. Something that I like about the New York recipe, or at least the step that you can do, take the flour directly in. You don't have to have a separate bowl, you know? More bowls, more washing. Now that I finished the NYT recipe, I feel like this is gonna be less dough because this only needed 2 cups of flour, while Claire's needed like almost 2 cups, which is almost just twice the amount of flour. So we'll put this in the fridge and let it cool down, and we'll scoop it later. Also, sound like Claire's adding a lot of strange things. She's adding apple cider vinegar into her cookies, like question mark. I think I've even tasted it, and I don't think I want to. Vinegary. And she said this is for texture and make it more chewy, or just continue making it chewy, I guess. Honestly, I finished all of this part. I'm just waiting literally for the butter to really cool down. I did put it in the freezer. Oh, okay, so it's definitely gelatinous. So honestly, I feel like this one looks darker and more rich in color. Maybe that's from the coffee, or the fact that this has more flour, or a bit of both. And I feel like, at least for texture wise, this one honestly feels a lot softer and less dense. While this one, well, to be honest, it's kind of unfair because this was in the fridge, but it does feel a lot more denser, to be honest. And for a full, fair comparison, I don't think I have to do this. I don't think I really. Oh my god! You know what? I'll have to take one for the team and try raw cookie dough. I taste the pepper. Okay. This is Vaughn's. Vaughn's is a lot deeper in flavor and a lot more darker. Even though Claire's only had, I can't put it back. I want to say I prefer Vaughn's because Vaughn's is a bit, at least raw. Vaughn's is a lot more darker. Yeah, Vaughn's is definitely richer. It's like stronger in flavor because of the coffee. Deeper and darker, while Claire's is still more lighter, but I feel like it's a bit more chewier in a different way. But let's see how they taste after they bake. Honestly, I might roll these tomorrow, so this may conclude the vlog because I'm gonna sleep. So see you tomorrow on how it turns out when it bakes. So far raw, they both taste good regardless. This is like the aftermath of baking that no one really wants to show you.